day 2 of vlogging with Rochelyn. I am currently in Florida and I don't know, I'm just gonna take you guys around and let you guys enjoy the day with me. Right now I am at IKEA. I'm about to do some shopping. There's a lot that I'm planning to do while here, business and pleasure, a little shopping here and there, so of course I'm gonna bring you guys with me. You know, we're gonna do a little bit of furniture shopping. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me? No, can't handle it. Right.
Press the button. This girl don't like touch nothing.
I don't want to touch.
I don't like touch nothing.
Listen, in Jamaica everything is touchless these days, okay? Well, not the elevator button, but the doors and things. Here you have to touch everything. You have to touch the doors. You don't sanitize at the entrance like you do in Jamaica. You don't get your temperature checked.
It's a dirt.
You know what? Hold on. You made it. Everything is just the same as usual. Like, I took what we have in Jamaica for granted and I realized that we're doing a good job. Like, we're a lot cleaner. Which is ironic because we're not very clean at times, you know. IKEA is like my favorite, one of my favorite stores, and I get excited when I come here. Like, I just want everything. And the cameraman, big up the cameraman. I hope she's doing a good job. I hope you can actually see me. I hope you can actually see me. Let's look at blankets. I think there's blanket here.
I mean, there's more.
I know. We're gonna be in here for about 3 hours. A joke. We're not be here so long.
Is this a pull-out couch? Them decorated. It looks like Betty.
Yeah. Oh, it's a couch. I just realized. Yeah. Tough door. It's tough, man.
They're coming up right there.
Can't work. Not a break your back, but it looks good. This one look cute. Yes, camera woman. This is what I want. I almost never walk on the road. I want one of these. $50 though. I want one of these for me in the back of my videos. Because I had the real plant and it died.
The taller one.
Or something taller, yeah. Because the real plant.
The taller ones are about 100.
Yeah.
But you can get the short ones and then put it in a high pot.
The thing is, when we get the real ones, them dead. And if I keep buying them. So for them, I've got a nice, good fake one, you know?
I like that couch.
Where?
That one.
The baby
It's
one?
different, yeah.
Yeah, it's small.
It's a small person. Like for you alone live.
Me alone live want a a bigger house than that. More spread out.
Yeah, like if you have a small apartment.
This is wow. Why don't have no price? How much you think them be?
Probably like $10. It's not gonna be more than 15.
I'm gonna go hold one until I find the price. The price must be somewhere around.
I like that one.
Yeah, something like this. No price on it. You like this kitchen?
Oh yeah, I love the marble.
What about the green? I like the green and gold.
Yeah, the green match.
See, there's the cup.
Oh, look at the green. I like the green with the fridge.
Yeah. I like it with the gold, what do you call it here? The faucet.
Right now.
That's just nice. Not something I would choose for myself personally, but I like it. For someone that loves green, this is nice.
Nice.
Nice. I love over here.
I love islands like this.
Yeah. Like this, I would choose for myself. I love this. I want a kitchen this big.
This big?
Yeah, just like this. Layout, this big. Love this black and black and black and black. I'm not in love with the countertop though, but I love the. But only thing is that with this, I see the finger marks, and I love the touch print. I love black. Yeah. And then this, I call this now like barn style.
Farmhouse.
Farmhouse. Not my favorite, but it's still it's nice for what it is. And this is kind of my grandma.
I love this one. The white.
White, clean.
Just clean.
Yeah, this is nice. This I like a basic book. I like that it has this area. Boys do your homework. Yo, one thing but I cannot even know how to stage. Welcome to Russian Cribs. Let's store my fridge, you know, on the top shelf. Have a little bit of nothing. The bottom shelf have 3 rows of nothing. And then a little bit more of nothing. Let me pour you a glass of nothing. Right, that's it for my fridge tour. Bye.
I like it. I don't like the board.
I don't like the wooden board finish. But today I prepared a nice meal for you guys. You know, and I used all of this and this and whatever this is. And of course I prepared it in my this heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. You know the pots they make in Jamaica, the aluminum pots? They would have. No sir, when you're cooking at this, your food well cooked. It's heavy. Alright, let's move along to the rest of my house. You know, I don't know, something about this that it's not tying together. Something I want to do. This one is like you. Or it's like too much. Hey, one thing about IKEA, you have to walk out the whole store to get out. So I think they designed it so that you have to see everything. That's smart. In here huge, you know. Then you find me a nice grey bar.
It's grey, but it's not necessarily nice.
I don't want a grey one.
Yeah, it's just simple.
I want a nice but simple but nice. And grey. This is how my bedroom looks. Like
Legit.
I know.
Was that the same time?
Guys, this is literally how my bedroom looks. I have a grey rug in front. I have a grey rug in front. I have this exact drawer. And different nightstands though, but it's white and pink. This is legit my bedroom. I just showed this in the last IKEA vlog. I need to get these though. Yeah, this bad enough. Yeah, just pull out. Okay, what am I feeling for today? My Bridget's. Or am I going to do Louboutins? What are we doing today? Tom Ford? You know, I actually like this closet. It's kind of cool. Guys, I'm taking from this section to the. I like this closet. How much for it? $655 USD. For those of you that keep asking what currency I'm speaking in, USD. We're in the US. I like this chair now. I feel like it gets scraped up. What do you think? Look at this one. I like them. So how this one is $250?
Maybe because it don't have the shoe rack.
The shirt. You know me like this?
I like that one over there.
I like both.
I love the fact that you can just
Pull out.
and all of your shoes and just
here.
line them like this.
Yeah. You have more than one shirt.
Rather than have your shoes them
On the ground. How would I get both? I'm gonna like put like probably like my work clothes over here, so with the shoes.
Yeah.
And then put like my regular clothes over here. And I like that it lights up when you open it. I wanted this
A black mirror, but I don't think it's that one. So the one I want, I think
It's
it's.
cheap.
I think the one I want is
$30 for this?
$50.
This is cheap and nice.
Yeah.
For $30. Yo, why we can't get things like that in Jamaica for $30?
This is what people put at them, the front of them door,
Oh, like the.
and drop them shoes and like when them come through the door, and it don't look like a shoe thing.
I like that.
And you put a mirror over it.
Yeah,
them
so it's
wouldn't
like
know.
we call it like a hallway table thing.
Them wouldn't know it's a shoe rack.
$100. I like it.
That's good for $100.
Yeah, let me take a photo of it. And think me look it on ordered online and shipped here. I still think it's like so cool just to make and this is where the shopping begins. After you go to the showroom, then shopping time.
I feel like we're moving fast though. We reach Vegas already.
Right? I already know the showroom looks like. You never need to stay. But let me see what's going on. How much hang this? 8 pot? Hang here big and heavy.
You don't want plates?
I do, you know. break. Now it's offered to buy food. The last food.
Serena. Those stuff cheap at Jamaica though, like Serena and stuff.
You take a dose on it.
Look at this. Board thing.
It's the storage.
Yeah, like the full out. That's kind of cool.
How much is it?
No idea. There's no price.
I don't know.
Oh no.
I'll come with them for you.
It says 7. Isn't it 7?
Yeah, 7 include 4 plus the 3 cover them. I saw them sell
The cover
pots.
should be.
My love, I saw them sell pots. The cover is a pot.
That's not bad.
These are for rest the pot corners.
Yeah, when them hot. Like now, burn up your counter.
So why them not price? No me sell them, I miss. Why not have them price? Oh, sit up for them.
Egg pot, a rice pot.
So where do we the little one that we done this one?
Quick boil egg.
Me never say
Boil 2 egg night.
something so small yet.
So I make a cup of rice. Or a small cup of rice and like a
I
side
put a
dish.
small cup of rice in this. Me need it for myself. I need one for my granny too. Still going. Look at the card. The card full of. Exactly. And Raquel on the phone. Raquel on FaceTime. Can't be fair. But the card heavy and it a rule me. Yo, in here is so big, it's not even funny. This is how me have to check the corners. What's that? She's excited. She can't even sell in our shop. I won't reach. Let me ask you.
Pero que se vuelve en el 4. Adelante.
What call it? The something on the planting at the bottom. Guys, we can't find the car. We don't know where we parked. It wasn't over there though. You have the Google
me
thing
press
that
the
show
button.
you. You know. Oh, here they're running stuff.
Oh, it's over there.
It's over there.
Come here to get curious though.
Why you coming like the car? They just hold the camera, lean. Look how the car goes.